Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we've been working on a brand new 2018 VW Up. It's just a bit of a basic Volkswagen Up, but the main important thing is that this dealer wanted the factory style reverse parking sensor. So on the Up, if you're not too sure about it, it's got the 3 parking sensors, 2 one either side, and then 1 right at the middle and the top, from top or bottom, I can't remember, one of the 3 anyway. And when you've got this stereo with the screen like here, the color screen where you got radio, media, phone, menu, I can't remember the name of this model because they're all got weird names on the Ups. So all you do, obviously the good old favorite is Volkswagen say it's not possible to do this. Well, it is, because here you go in a minute. So all you do simply is you pop it in reverse. So there's the rear, it's only a rear kit available, so you pop it in reverse and there you get your guidelines on your screen. So the middle one is currently picking up on an obstruction up, which is the back of our workshop door. You can shut the sensors up by pushing that button there and bring them back on, and you can also cancel by doing that but still leaving the beeps. So I'll do it again, pop it in reverse, and there you go, you get the optical display. Now if you want to fit a reversing camera to this, you can do, and what it does is it then splits the screen, so you have the parking sensors one side and the reversing camera the other side. The camera is only a low line version, but it is available as long as your vehicle has this stereo like you can see here. So just quickly I'll run through it. So you got there, you got media, you got phone, you got menu, and all your little settings there. All right, so it's the Volkswagen Up 2018 with retrofitted rear parking sensors for this VW Up. If you want to know more, then make sure you get in touch with us, www.advanced-incar.co.uk. If you've got any questions or any comments about this system or the reversing sensors, then just get in touch with us on the on the comment section. And if you do enjoy these sort of Volkswagen retrofits, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up to the video, really does help us out. And thanks for watching.